Now see to this question. What they have given, you have to find what is vector OF. Okay, over here you have to find what is vector OF. So how do you find it? To get the vector OF,
OG plus GF.
yeah, yeah. So your vector OF will be equal to OG
OG
plus
plus G.
GF. Yeah. But what is vector OG? See, vector OG and FE will be same, but over here FE is in the right hand side. So this will also be in right hand side, and that is C. So vector OG will be minus C. Yeah. And your vector GF is plus B. So your answer is vector OF is B minus C. Fine. Similarly, the next which they have asked, what is vector OC? What will be vector OC? That is vector OD plus DC. Fine. And your OD is B and this DC is 2C. That's it. Done. Clear? Easy? Next, they have asked what is vector BC. Next, what they have asked, what is vector BC? So how you will find it? Can you find? Yeah, please do it and tell me what is the answer.
So it will be A plus B plus 2C.
Yeah, we'll check. See, vector BC will be equal to vector BO plus vector OC, and your vector BO is A, and your vector OC we have just found that is B plus 2C. So that's what your vector BC is. You have got the same thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. After that, they have asked what is vector EB. Yeah. What is vector EB? How you will find it?
So can you draw a line connecting them?
Not required. Yeah, you can draw, no problem. You can draw a line connecting both of them, means EB. But how you will find it?
So it will be E plus O, EO plus OB,
Yeah,
O
but
plus
yeah,
OB.
that we can do. EO plus OB, that we can do. We can also do this. See, EO plus OB, we can do that. EO plus OB. So your vector EO is minus B and your vector OB is A. So answer is A minus B. Fine. We can also find, suppose if you don't have these values, we can also find your vector EB like this also. Your
Sir,
vector, yeah,
OB will be minus A, right?
yeah, it will be minus A, sorry. It will be minus A. It will be minus A. Yeah. Also, you can find your vector EB like this also. That is ED plus vector DC plus vector CB. This can also be done. Because the final point is that only, no? You can do it this way also. So what is vector D? ED? That is B. What is vector DC? That is 2C. And what is vector CB? We have just found. We have found BC, no? So CB will be the negative of this. So it will be minus what we have found for BC, that A plus B plus 2C. Right? Yeah, you can do that. So this will
Yeah.
be B plus 2C minus A minus B minus 2C. This plus 2C minus 2C get cancelled. B minus B. Oh, wait. EB we are finding, right? EO plus OB. ED is D. DC is 2C. And CB. What is CB? Vector BC is A plus B plus 2C. Say, no, there is something wrong on it. Wait. Should get in both ways, the answer should be same. Minus A minus B minus 2C. Fine, the value, wait. The value of BC is fine. BO plus OC. and A plus, yeah, wait, OC. What is the value of OC? How did we get OC? OC equals OD plus DC. Yeah, OD is 2B. Yeah, over here is the mistake. The value of OD should be 2B, no? Because ED is B. ED is B. Then what will be OD? That will be twice of B, no? Yes or no? So your
Yeah.
OD is twice B. 2B plus 2C. Right? Over here also you'll get 2B plus 2C. And over here also it will be 2B plus 2C. So it will be minus 2B. So this plus 2C and minus 2C gets cancelled. This is minus A and B minus 2A is also minus B. So the same answer. Should get the same answer in both the cases. Only then we can say it is right. Yeah? Clear? How to solve?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. We'll give you the next sum. You tell me what will be the answer. Okay, I'll be giving you the question. Tell me what is vector FE. Solve it.
So how will we
Yeah.
find AD? Like we need to find GE first, right?
What?
We need to find GE first, right?
We have to find GE. Wait, we are FE we need to find, right? So yeah, you have to find GE also.
So for that we need GD also, right?
See, if you want FE, you can also find it by using FA plus AH AD plus DE. That will also work to get the value of FE. You can get the
Yeah.
value of AD. You can also get the value of FA. That will also work.
So, but for finding AE, we'll also have to find GD.
For AE, how you will find AE? You don't have to find AE.
No, GE.
For GE, yeah. But if you don't want to find GE, see how do we find it? See, I'll tell you. First, you can find what is vector AD. AD will be AB plus BC plus CD. Yeah, that gives you A plus C plus B. This is what your vector AD. Yeah. Now, if you have this vector AD, this is sufficient, no? Yeah, if you got this value, right? Even if you want GD, you can get that also. If you want vector GD, it will be GA plus AD. It will be vector GA plus AD. Now, what is vector GA? That is minus B plus what is your vector AD that we have just found, that is A plus C plus B. Yeah, this minus B and plus B gets cancelled, so answer is A plus C. That is what your vector GD. Fine. Now, after this, if you have vector GD, you can find what is vector GE. Yes or no? Your vector GE will be how much? I'll take the diagram down. Okay. Now, after this, if you have to find what? You have to find GE. So, your vector GE will be equal to GD plus DE, and your vector GD is how much? A plus C, and your vector DE is how much? Minus 2A. Right? It will be A minus 2A is minus A, so answer is C minus A. So, this is what vector GE. Now, once you get vector GE, now you can find what is vector FE. That will be FG plus GE. Your FG is C and your GE is C minus A. So answer is 2C minus A. Got it? Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. After that, AF. Yeah, can you please find what is vector? AD I've already found. G is already done. GD is also done. So everything is done. All the values are found. Okay, except AE. AF is also easy only. Now, fine. So we are done over here for today. Okay. And if you have any further worksheets and all or anything you have to solve, you can please send those worksheets before the class. Not before the class, not exactly before the class. You should send it as soon as possible. Okay? For any worksheet you want to solve, please share it in advance what worksheet you want to solve. Yeah?
Yeah.
Clear? Chalo then. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Yeah, welcome.